Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again to Describing by Ibrahim. Currently, I'm standing in a playground of Madrasa. So you can notice the students of Hifz Madrasa, they are playing a game. It is a game that they are using a tap tennis ball to play football. Maybe they don't have a football. That's the reason they are using tap tennis ball to play football. And it is afternoon time, so to be honest, they get only afternoon time to play football. Oh, sorry, they to play any kind of game. So in the morning time, they are very busy to recite Holy Quran or do any other activities. So it is Friday. So that's the reason in the morning time they have they have cleaned their clothes, even mosque and many things. Now it is afternoon time. They have get time to play games, so they are now playing. And other students, they are playing any other kind of game. Now they are not playing. They are hanging out and walking together. So have a good day. Take care.